Hey YouTube, so Merry Christmas, and this is what I got for Christmas. This is a childhood ceiling fan of mine. This is a Harbor Breeze Bella Vista. I grew up with one of these fans, and this is one of the fans that started my interest in ceiling fans. So I'm happy to finally have one. So it's a 44-inch Harbor Breeze Bella Vista. So, and it's the same color as my old one. So we're gonna start it out. It pushes good air. It wobbles a little on high. That's pushing good air. Here's medium. And one thing I like about this one, it uses regular light bulbs. It doesn't use those candelabra base bulbs. It wobbles a little on medium, but here's low. And here's off. So yeah, that is my childhood ceiling fan that I have been after for so many years. I have been after this fan for a long time, and I am happy to have it up and installed. So yeah, bye.